So guys, we're going to jump back into this video. So this is the yam. I already sliced everything, and then I'm going to be boiling them for like 5 to 10 minutes, and because you don't want them to be like too done or like so soft, so because you're still going to fry them. So I just cooked it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and let me just say 5 minutes honestly, and then I took it down because it doesn't take much time to be done. So now on this plate I'm going on this plate I'm going to be putting my bowl. I'm going to be putting my flour. I'm going to be putting the eggs in the second bowl. I'm going to be mixing my spices, everything that I want to to taste in this yam. I'm going to be putting it in the mixing it in the flour and the egg. So I just have, and then you have to be really careful when mixing both. Make sure it's like, so it's not too much, like you don't add too much. Make sure you're mixing just little bits of everything in both of them. That's the way I did it. So I will definitely put something down below, so you can, if you're finding it difficult, kind of like freestyling it, doing it on your own, or eyeballing it, whichever one. I'll definitely put like the ingredients and everything down below in the comment section, or my comment section or somewhere. Yeah, so you will definitely see it there. And then after mixing that, you can see everything. I'm using the old bay and everything I'm going to be mixing in. So now this is my yam boiling. I'm going to be taking that out and pouring it in the sieve and waiting for it to cool a little bit before I start dipping it. Now you dip in the egg and you dip in the flour. That's basically what you do. And you dip back in the egg and back in the flour. You just keep doing it that way until everything is covered properly. So it was a bit tough for me this way. I was like, oh my god, this thing is just sticking on my hands, but we got it together. Okay, so you keep doing that until it's all fully covered, and then I keep putting them back in the plate. I just kept on going back and forth until it's fully covered. And then you fry, and here it is. This is the color I want mine to be, and it came out so good and it tasted so good. Just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, it came out really good. I love it.